Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from OPPO F19. So you first up, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Now pass the setup. And to show the free credits banner again, restart application if you want to send your message for free. Now click on the plus and choose search your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery, like this one for example, and click import. Now you can add this shape to the document or the picture. And if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now you can choose the filter for that to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon, type the number in this place, choose the candidate from the list, and to send the message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.